Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I made this Lightening McQueen night light / paperweight. The first thing we're going to do is go over to the bandsaw and cut out our little circle for Lightening McQueen to sit on. Next, we're going to mix up our epoxy. Before I mixed the epoxy, I glued the piece of wood into the bottom with a little bit of silicone, and then I glued Lightening McQueen and his trophy to that block of wood with some CA glue. I'm also using a different epoxy for this project. I'm using West Systems. I will link it down in the description. I personally think it came out a lot better, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. And that is going to go into the pressure pot. We're going to leave it for 24 hours for everything to harden up. And we're going to pop it out of the pressure pot, attach a little waste block to the bottom, and put it on the lathe. We're going to start on the lathe by turning it round, and then we'll work on our top. Now we're just going to polish everything up. We're going to use our parting tool to part most of this off, and then we'll go in with the flush cut saw and cut the rest of that off. Now we're going to head over to the drill press and drill out all of our holes for the little LEDs and the battery pack and everything that we're putting in the bottom of this. And here you have me trying my best to solder. I'm still really not good at soldering. It's definitely a skill I am still working on, but I was pretty proud of myself on this one. Definitely a lot better than the Camaro that we worked on last time. Now I just poured a layer of epoxy in after I tested the lights and made sure everything worked and is where I want it. I actually just waited a few hours and then I pushed the battery pack into the epoxy when it was already partially hard, and that's actually holding the battery pack in place. Then we're going to head over to the buffing wheel and just buff everything up just to make sure that I didn't get any scratches while I was working on that bottom. And there he is, all done.
Speed. I am speed. 1 winner, 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. Faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning.
Hey guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below and leave us a comment. I did a few things differently. First, we tried the different epoxy, so let me know what you guys think there. I also didn't add music into this video, so let me know if you like the sound of the tools or if you missed the music. Just trying out some new things. But don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.